This is from where? Everything. So this everything original, right?
Is that
Uh,
I think they are Chinese doors, Asian doors,
ah,
I think.
no, but this is you collect from some museum or.
No, we just collected from all over the world.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, mostly Asia and Africa.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of Asia and a lot of Africa.
Oh, you have special elevator
Yes, we do.
only for Platinum Suite. What?
Ultra lush.
Uh-huh. No, before Mandela have face control, right? They don't need.
Say again.
No, Mandela when goes there, they full
Face
strength.
control, maybe. I think so. I think so.
So they not need to use key for them.
I wonder if face control was even a thing then. It wasn't yet a technology that they could understand. They didn't even think it would be possible for face control.
Yeah, now you have similar. So new president South Africa need to go to elevator. If elevator work, you
Then
become new president.
Yeah, exactly.
If doesn't work, so it's
Then
maybe
you're not going to be
second.
president.
What is this gray?
So this is a private dining space. We use it for private events.
Ah, okay. Mhm.
Housekeeping.
Nice Mandela suite.
Yes.
So most expensive suite in Johannesburg.
Yes, it is.
95,000 rand.
Yes. It has 2 bedrooms. This is the guest bedroom.
So vice president bedroom.
Say again, vice president bedroom, maybe, yes. So it's the only suite on the property that has a steam room inside. There's a steam room there in the master bedroom here. And it's 400 square meters. So your villa presidential suites, when we connect them, become 400 square meters.
So steam room is there.
Yes. Let me show you the lounge and the kitchen.
Very huge.
Yes, so yeah, 400 square meters. There's a kitchen on the side.
So view.
Yes, view of the front and the front and the back terrace, gardens, water.
So meeting space.
Say again.
Meeting space. Meeting space.
Meeting space. Well, more for dining.
No, government.
No, for dining.
Negotiates.
This is the kitchen. So tomorrow where are you going?
Althoff. Place.
Apple Place. Okay. Okay. And what time are you leaving?
As late as possible.